Yes, so my people, correct update don't land now. Correct update don't land. So if you be man wey be say Krokro don take over your Iroko tree, my brother, not skip this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Wey be say to the extent if you stand for bus stop, bus go dey pass wey dey go where you dey go, you no go remember because you don put your hand for your Iroko tree, dey scratch am. You don put hand there, dey scratch until the bus go pass, you no go know because as you dey scratch am e dey sweet you, as you dey scratch am e dey sweet you. Sometimes if you press am you see say small milk dey come out for the mouth, wey be say your gbola wey before wey dey very proud now e don come humble. String wey be say dey like small pikin wey dey shout for say go sit down for one place, your gbola now no dey fit even get up again. Sometimes e go dey like this, like when you wan greet elder, you go bend down like this. No skip this video, e get why, because solution don come for you today. And if you be woman wey be say Krokro don take over your honey pot, today na your day of liberty. Make sure say you stay on this video, okay? Wey be say to the extent you don scratch am, all the area surrounding the honey pot now don scatter. To even put SIM card for phone now na wahala. This video na your video, okay? Sometimes wey be say inside the honey pot you go see something like milk dey come out, e dey come out inside the honey pot. You put hand, put am for your nose, smell am, you go smell one kind odor wey you sef go dey surprise say where this odor comot from. Watch this video to the end. God don finally send help for you, okay? My people, una know say I like una and I dey give una correct update wey go make your life better. But the only thing be say una no dey share my video, share my knowledge, okay? Share this video so that a lot of people too can benefit from this video. All right? And some of you, when you watch finish, even to just say, okay, drop gift for this man, e no dey, una no dey do am, e no dey good, okay? E no dey good at all. So now let's quickly go into what you need to do to solve all this wahala wey you don carry round everywhere, wey be say you never see solution. This one go give you solution, okay? Now wetin you need, number one na garlic, okay? You need three garlic, okay? You need three garlic, small garlic like this, three. Now you need small ginger like this, small ginger like this. Then you need clove, okay? You need clove. A lot of you don't know clove. Clove now that they call zobo pepper. See am, na be this. See clove. You need clove, 5 pieces of clove like this. Then you need half spoon of oregano. See oregano, my burn so that una go see am. Na be this. Half spoon of oregano. Get half spoon of oregano. Then you look for neem leaf. Get neem leaf. Just 2 like this. E dey okay. Then you put everything for blender, okay? When you want to remove your neem leaf, make sure say you remove it like this. Remove the wood so that you no go spoil your blender. Then after that, add half cup of water. Blend everything together. The ginger, no bother to peel am. The garlic, no bother to peel am. Just wash them, put them in your blender, blend them. By the time you blend them finish, filter am, put the water for cup like this. Now this kind of thing you go get after you blend am finish. You get something like this. Now wetin be the next thing wey you do? The next thing you do is to take that half cup, take that half glass, drink it in the morning. Then in the evening, repeat the process again in the evening. Do it for 7 days and come back here for your testimony, because I know a lot of you, before you finish 7 days, that issue wey don dey trouble you all this while don disappear. And don't forget to come and give your tithe here. Don't forget to come and give your tithe here. Before that 7 days, a lot of you will come back here to testify. Stop playing. Power dey for nature.